Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's project is going to be this cute little box which coordinates with a card that I've already shown, as you can see here. And all I've done is made it so it fits in two little Mr. Kipling cakes, like so. And then it's just held closed by a flap created by the matted layer, like so. So I'm going to show you how to do this today. I'm going to move it out of the way for now, and I'm going to bring in my trimmer with great difficulty. And what I'm going to do is I've got a piece of A4 thick whisper white, and I'm just going to cut it down to 13 by 4. I can find 13.4. Keep this bit because it's scrap, and how we're going to do is that's basically our box. We are going to score it this way at 2.8, which is that. Turn it round, score it at 2.8 again. And then turning it this way, you're going to score at, first one is 9.5. Sorry, 9.5, then it's 12.3, which is there. And then I just need to open this up. Then it is 12.3, 21.8. And then 24.6, which I'm probably off the camera now, so I'm sorry. 24.6. Okay. And then our trimmer can go away, and you have your net. So, as you can see, you can kind of see the box shape coming too. So this is going to be the front panel, back panel, lid here. So what we're going to do is to create the flaps, just cut in here like these little squares, and cut here like so. So I haven't cut here, and that's because I'm going to have that as an inward tab, which you'll see later on. And just cut in here, not here, but here. And here. And you're just going to want to do little triangles inwards. Apologies again. Like so. And that's just on these two. That's just going to help us have it all slot together just that little bit better. And then on this bit, you're just going to cut all the way down to the second score line in. So, just take my paper snips and cut him down. And again here. Move out my way. Okay, so that's the basic shape you're going to be wanting. So at that point, I'm just going to fold on all my score marks. I'm going to do it the other way because there's a dirty mark there. And on this one. And then there. They can be folded in like so. And then just another fold there. And because we've got them score lines already in place, it's super easy. When I'm making boxes, what I tend to do is not use a bone folder to crisp up the edges, because I don't want it to lie flat, because I want it up. I want it to have that stability there, like so. And to glue this together, for the sake of the video, I am going to use some tear tape, just because it's the quickest way for me to do it. However, I suggest you use Tombow liquid glue, because of how simple, how more firm it's going to hold things together. So they're going to go on the inside like that. By just holding it down, can then push these in, and I know it's going to sit flush with the bottom. So. Okay. That hasn't stuck, so just lift that up, sit that flush with the bottom, sit that flush with the bottom, and then put some tape along here. Oh, I actually done that the wrong way, but it's okay, because I'm just going to pop this on the inside. If I can get the tape off. Like so. And then, as you can see, that goes in and that goes round like that. So it's such a quick and simple box to make. Again, I'd recommend you use Tombow, just so then you don't have these little edges popping out. But for the sake of a video, that's not going to concern me. And as you can see, you've just got this little flap, like so. So, what we're going to do to decorate, if I bring in the example again, which I've put somewhere. Here. We're going to create this little matted layer that helps hinge the flap closed. And so put that there, that there. I'm going to bring in a piece of Whisper White. So the box in the end will measure 9.5 by 7.8. So I've just took 4mm off. So that's 9.1 by 7.4. And I'm just going to use the Yay stamp in some smoky slate ink and just create a pattern using this. So I'm going to go Yay in that, and then Yay off, then Yay full, and Yay off, and so on and so forth, until of course you're happy with the outcome. So obviously you can spend longer doing your yays, but because of the video, I'm probably going to speed through it and make some errors, which isn't good, but I'm sure you'll all forgive me. So that's that. Stamp that off, stamp that down, and then do that there. then off, then back on, like that. So there you've created a super simple background just using one stamp set, and you've created tone by using the on-off method. So the two-step stamping. So for the sentiment, like we did with the card, we are just going to bring in Memento ink and the sentiment as well as a picture of a cake. So this would be good, perfect for party favours. You could give this out instead of an actual slice of a cake, and then you can keep the cake to yourself. Not that you would want to. I know I would want to if I had kids and had birthday parties in which I had to cater for. Nope, I'm going to eat that cake, not you. So I'm just going to stamp that down in Memento ink onto a piece of Smoky Slate cardstock, just so there's some coherence between the colour of the background as well as the cardstock used. And then I'm just going to fishtail the one end, like so. And move that out the way. So to create the hinge effect, as you can see, that's just going to sit on top like that. I'm only going to put adhesive down the one kind of side, and again I'm going to use tear tape, just because it's going to be a lot more secure. So put that, that's the wrong side. Down the one side. Like so. And pray to the crafting gods that it doesn't take forever to get the adhesive off. Like so. And then that's just going to sit on top of our box like so, which you can just line up and pop down. And then that's going to create the hinge for the lid to be held in place, like so. And then this is just going to sit on top of that with some dimensionals. That I have here. And we can just pop a few on the back. Like so, and that's just going to sit coming off the edge, so then we can still see some of them yays in the background. And what I'm going to do, these seem to be a little bit large, so I'm just going to cut from the corner out, from the corner out, and that should then sit a lot better, like so. So let's give this a quick little tidy. And there you have today's little project. It's not a card. As you can see, it just opens up like so, and it fits Mr. Kipling cakes, which I'm going to eat now, in perfectly. So if you would like to make this project for yourself, a full list of products are available in the description bar below, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. And while you're down there, like, comment and subscribe so everybody can see how easy it is to make such an adorable little box, perfect for any occasion. So share to your social media. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Bye guys.